easy was it to portray that character?
Firstly, though, all it took was a call saying, Lara, this film is being made and we're casting for Indira Gandhi's role. And that's all it really took before I even heard the script. But yes, of course, there's a great responsibility when you're portraying somebody who's an iconic figure like her. And I hope all of you will go into the theatre and watch the film. But it was very important to get her body language right. As you all know, the film deals with the hijack situation that happened during Miss Indira Gandhi's tenure. So given the dramatic events that were unfolding, she was always somebody who was extremely centered and never really prone to dramatics. So it was very important to portray her in that form. And I had a great time. There was a lot of homework, there was a lot of research that went on behind it. But it was obviously an opportunity of a lifetime that I'm very thankful for.
There's one more question for the entire team. What all difficulties did you face during the shooting of the film in pandemic?
Nothing. हमारी सारी डिफिकल्टीज वाशु भगनानी और जैकी भगनानी ने ली थी, तो हमारे ऊपर कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं आई. बस हमें थोड़ा वक्त क्या कहते हैं क्वारंटीन में रहना पड़ा. उसके बाद हमने शूटिंग की और फिर शूटिंग करके 90% फिल्म वहाँ शूट करके यहाँ आ गए.
Thank you.
All right.
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. मैं भारती सिंह, आवाज भारती से. मैं आप सभी से पूछना चाहूंगी, जो बेल बॉटम फिल्म है ये समाज को क्या संदेश दे रहा है?
संदेश ये एक ट्रू इवेंट से इंस्पायर्ड है, तो उस वक्त क्या हुआ था वही संदेश दे रहा है. वही आपको बता रहा है कि क्या क्या हुआ था. और आप देखिए उस वक्त कैसे जो हमारे स्पेशल एजेंट्स थे उन्होंने कैसे काम किया था उसके बारे में.
और अक्षय जी और वाणी जी की जोड़ी पहली बार सिनेमा में सामने आ रही है, तो कैसा लगा आपको साथ काम करके?
No, I was very happy. My father is actually a huge fan of Akshay sir, and so am I. Actually, everybody in our family we watched all your movies.
Thanks.
But it was a blast. I think he's one of the funniest human beings in a good way. But he's funny. He's a great sense of humor. He's a great actor. He's approachable. He takes care of his team, of everybody on set. So you feel like a very family environment, you know. And it was a very new experience for me because we used to sit together, have lunch together, dinner together, offset, on set, all the time. Like he was just like out there for you, with his full support. So it was incredible, great experience. Did you have a good experience for you?
Yeah, I had a great experience working with Vani Kapoor. Vani ji is a beautiful girl. She बुरा ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ. But I really enjoyed working with her. She's very talented. She's a wonderful actress. जो मतलब मैं कहूँगा जो मैंने अपनी 40वीं फिल्म के अंदर सीखा था, मतलब एक्टिंग कैसे करता था मैं, वो इसने पहली या तीसरी फिल्म में ही कर लिया है.
Hi, this is Uday here from NewsX. Firstly, congratulations to the entire team. I think the trailer looks amazing. And I think the cheers, just showed the response, of course, of people over here. The team has given the credit to both of you. So I have to ask Jackie and Hani, how was it like, taking that decision actually to go and shoot this film, after that first wave? And what kind of protocols did you put in place? How was that shoot and the experience? Tell us a bit about it.
It was a tough decision when we decided to take this, and health being paramount for all of us. When we sat down and made our plans, it was very important to make sure that everyone's health safety was kept in mind. We made different sections. We decided how we'll go about with the shoot, and then we convinced everyone to go, and we're very lucky and very grateful that we pulled it off without a single person getting the virus. So that's how it was.
We're looking forward to watching the film. Akshay, a quick question to you as well on the Olympics, which are on. You're of course a sports lover. We keep seeing your tweets, but are you enjoying watching India's performance this time?
Yes, I'm very proud, and I'm waiting for tomorrow's match to start with her. So we're all waiting for it now. And that's it.
Hello. Okay.
Last question.
हाँ जी हिमांशु जहाँ भी हो हाँ
सर, तो बेल बॉटम की अगर बात करें, अगर बेल बॉटम के बाद आपकी कोई सबसे ज्यादा फिल्म का वेट है तो वो है सूर्यवंशी का
जी।
तो क्या अपडेट है सर, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है अब तक की सबसे बेस्ट एक्शन फिल्म होने वाली है वो, जिसका आई थिंक सब वेट कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में अगर आप
डेट के बारे में कब आएगी?
डेट और मतलब
आइए उसके
कितना
बारे
सफर
में
कर रही है
तो
फिल्म?
दो ही इंसान जानते हैं, एक भगवान जानता है, एक रोहित शेट्टी जी जानते हैं। मुझे तो नहीं पता कब आ रही है, यही वही बताएंगे अभी कब आ रही है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है बहुत जल्द आई जानी चाहिए अब, क्योंकि सारे सिनेमास खोल रहे हैं आहिस्ते आहिस्ते, तो जैसे ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा मुझे लगता है आ जाएगी चाहिए अगले महीने या अगले महीने, जैसे भी होगा मुझे भी पता लग जाएगा, आपको बता दूंगा मैं। और कुछ
Thank you.
मैडम कब से बोल रही है? मैडम प्लीज पूछिए आप।
Hi Akshay sir, I'm Saloni from TV9. So I wanted to ask, आपको क्या लग रहा है अब जिस तरीके से ये इवॉल्व हो रहा है, अभी we are getting the news की थर्ड वेव भी आ सकती है, तो do you think जो भी OTT ने फिलहाल ये पिछले 2 सालों में गेन किया है एंड पीपल आर एक्चुअली बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव चॉइस अभी टू बी ऑनेस्ट देखने का,